All right, this is Mrs. Carey, and I am reading We Are a Little Closer to Knowing If There is Life on Another Planet. This was from the Associated Press newspaper, but it was adapted by the Newsela staff. This is from 2017, so it is a little bit older of an article. This is a picture of NASA's Saturn orbiting Cassini spacecraft. So this is going around Saturn, and it's making a close flyby of the ocean-bearing moon Enceladus. The story is from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Water is what helps to make life on Earth. Life depends on Earth's oceans, rivers, and ponds. Scientists are always looking for signs of water on other planets. There are some planets in the universe that have water. The water is usually hidden under frozen oceans. Maybe there is life on these water planets, scientists wonder. Tiny, important moon. Earth has a moon that circles around it. The planet Saturn has many moons that circle around it. One of these moons is called Enceladus. It is a tiny moon. It is covered in a large frozen ocean. NASA is the U.S. space agency. It sends rocket ships into space. It sent a spacecraft called Cassini to explore Enceladus. Cassini has found hydrogen on Enceladus. Hydrogen is a chemical. It is found everywhere on Earth. Hydrogen is found in water. This is important. Things happen in the ocean. Scientists say this hydrogen could mean there is life on Enceladus. The hydrogen might have been made deep below the frozen ocean. Deep below cracks in the ocean, rock and water bump into each other. It causes chemical reactions. When the reactions happen, tiny creatures sometimes come to life. This is how life began on Earth. Scientists are not sure if there's life on Enceladus. It just means that the situation is right for it. Cassini got very close to the moon. When water gets hot, it turns into water vapor. It is like steam. There is water vapor on the south part of Enceladus. Clouds of water vapor spray from cracks in the rock here. Scientists think this is where life could happen. Cassini found the hydrogen on Enceladus in 2015. It flew by very closely and looked deeper through the moon's clouds of vapor. NASA scientists talked about the findings in a public event. Science fans around the world watched the event online. Cassini was launched in 1997. It is now low on fuel. Its time is coming to an end. The spacecraft will study Saturn a bit longer. In September, it'll shut down and disappear into space. The spacecraft has done all it can. Future space missions will have to find life on Enceladus, the scientist said. Another nearby moon is thought to have an ocean. It is an ice moon orbiting Jupiter called Europa. It also might have water vapor just like Enceladus. A spacecraft is being built called the Europa Clipper. It could tell us more about life there. There are many questions about Enceladus. Still, the news was a big step to finding life on Enceladus, ocean scientist Jerry Seawald said. All right, so that is the end of the article. Now keep this article up and answer the quiz questions and make sure you think through all your answers. Good luck.